Imagine this. Every single day she thinks about you. Yet, your phone will never light up with her name again. She watches from the shadows, checking your stories, reading your old messages, and remembering how you made her feel, but stays silent and hidden. If you don't understand why, you will remain stuck in confusion, pain, and a waiting game you can never win. Today I'm going to reveal the full truth. Why she disappears, why she watches, and how you can flip the entire game without saying a single word. Listen closely, because after this, you'll never see her or yourself the same way again. You deserve this truth. You deserve to reclaim your power. You deserve to stop suffering in silence. That starts now. This platform is a weapon for those tired of chasing, doubting, and feeling confused. If you believe that knowledge can change your life, support this mission by subscribing, liking, and commenting. Together, we build unstoppable individuals who lead, not chase. Let's begin the silent battlefield. There's a silent battlefield raging inside her. Every time she sits alone with her thoughts, you may believe she has forgotten you or think she no longer cares. But behind every photo she posts, behind every laugh you see, lies a hidden conflict you will never witness. One side of her heart pulls her toward you, weighted by every memory she tries to bury. She remembers how you made her laugh effortlessly. She recalls those late night talks where she felt truly seen, understood, and valued in ways few have ever made her feel. She misses the comfort of knowing someone cared for her deeply beyond the surface. The way her heart raced at the sight of your name on her screen, the sense of safety when you were near. These longings do not vanish. They linger like smoke after a fire, even if only for a moment. Each day she thinks about you. She scrolls through old photos, rereads past conversations, wonders where you are, who you're with, and if you ever think of her too. But standing firm on the other side of her mind is fear. The fear that if she reaches out, you won't respond as she hopes. The fear that showing even a hint of vulnerability will cost her pride. The fear that you've moved on, found someone better and grown beyond her. This fear freezes her. It paralyzes her fingers before she can type a message. It drowns her impulse before it breaks through. It's not indifference keeping her silent. It's self-protection. Pride builds a wall between what she feels and what she's willing to show. Pride tells her to wait. It convinces her that the first to move loses. It poisons her heart with thoughts like, if he truly missed me, he would reach out first. Pride keeps her staring at her phone, hoping to see your name while refusing to be the one who appears weak by breaking the silence. Ego sharpens the blade, telling her she must be wanted, not begging. Ego turns reaching out into humiliation. In her mind, a simple text is a battle between craving connection and guarding status. Every second she stays silent is a mix of pain and twisted victory. Pain because the silence reminds her of what's lost, and victory because she hasn't surrendered her pride. This duality tortures her beyond what you can imagine. Some nights she almost breaks, almost sends that message, almost chooses vulnerability. But at the last second, fear and pride crush that desire, and she locks her heart away again. Here's what matters. The longer you maintain your silence, the heavier the burden grows on her side. When you don't reach out, when you refuse to chase, you deny her the comfort she secretly craves. She expects you to break first, to fold under the pressure of the unknown. When you don't, it shocks her. It destabilizes her story of feeling safe. If you reach out first, she breathes a sigh of relief. She wins without effort and feels powerful because you showed weakness first. But if you stay silent and hold your ground with discipline, the ground beneath her cracks. Doubt creeps in, anxiety grows. Your memories harpen and become painful, consuming. Silence becomes your greatest weapon. It forces her to face everything she tried to escape. It makes her question if letting you go was the biggest mistake. Silence is not indifference. It's fear and pride trapped inside a war no one else sees. Why? Silence is her strategy. Silence is not forgetting. It's not moving on. It's a calculated move to keep power in her hands. When she senses you might miss her, when she feels you wonder, she knows she has the upper hand. To maintain it, she says nothing. Silence breeds questions, breeds doubt, and breeds emotional instability in the one who cares more. If she reaches out first, she risks losing control. She risks appearing desperate, caring more. An untenable position for her. Silence is her bet that your emotions will break before hers. She wagers that your mind will betray you, that you'll overthink, scroll through her pictures, and hope for a sign. She bets that the silence will become so loud in your heart that you'll act just to end it, the moment you break. Even with a small, "Hey, hope you're well," you lose more than you know. You kill the mystery, remove her doubt, and confirm you're still tied emotionally. She feels the grip slipping and pulls it tight again. She doesn't even have to reply warmly, ignoring cold responses. Still keeps the power hers. Power lies not in the reply, but in confirming you still care enough to reach out first. You may think you're being polite or mature, but in this emotional war, intentions don't matter. Only moves do. Reaching out reveals your vulnerability while she stays hidden. Her silence isn't strength. It's fear in disguise. Pride wearing a mask, but it's effective because the world rewards those who appear least invested. The one who cares less holds the power. Silence greets the illusion of not caring, even while she's torn inside. If you reach out, you give certainty, end her questions, and hand her victory with no risk. If you hold your silence and master your emotions, you force her to confront the emptiness she tried to ignore. You make her live with her choice. You make her question if she made a mistake. The silence that once comforted her becomes her enemy. As days turn to weeks, doubt whispers louder than pride. What if he's moved on? What if he no longer misses me? What if I lost him forever? That's when her silence begins to break her, not protect her. That's when the emotional tables turn. You might see her smiling in photos, wearing that same familiar smile that once made your heart race. You might catch glimpses of her on trips, posing with friends, sharing sunsets, dancing in clubs. You might notice her posting quotes about strength, independence, healing, and moving forward. And it might hit you hard because it looks like she's already moved on. It looks like she found happiness without you. Maybe she never cared as much as you thought, but here's the truth. Most men don't realize people don't post their truth. They post the image they want the world to believe. Behind every smiling selfie could be a mind drowning in regret. A heart still aching for what it lost. Behind every post about strength could be nights spent crying into a pillow that still smells like the memories you shared. Behind every picture of a perfect life could be an empty feeling she tries to outrun but can never truly escape. She doesn't post because she's healed. She posts because she's hiding from the loneliness that creeps in when the noise fades. From the truth that without you, something is missing. No matter how hard she pretends otherwise, every photo is armor. Every caption a shield. Every story a wall between the world and the war inside her chest. She isn't moving on as fast as it looks. She's trying to convince herself. She's fighting an invisible battle you'll never see on social media. She's trying to fill the hole where real love once alive with attention, distractions, and validation. But nothing can fill the space you left behind. The mask slips when the party ends and the drinks wear off. When the friends go home and the room falls silent, that's when the mask slips. That's when the real emotions break through. Alone in her bed, scrolling through her phone, lying in the dark, she replays your conversations. She revisits the sound of your voice and reimagines what it felt like to be cared for by a man who saw her soul, not just her body. That pain hits. Harder than any heartbreak song. She tries to drown it out, but it screams louder than any quote she posts about strength. If in your weakness you break your silence and text her first, you relieve that pressure for her. You let her off the hook. You give her a rush of validation that covers her pain, even if only for a little while. You let her avoid the full consequences of losing you. If you keep showing her she still has access to you, you give her an emotional safety net. But if you remain silent, if you hold your ground with the strength of someone who values himself more than he misses her, you allow the silence to do its work. You let it grow heavier, you let it dig deeper into her mind. Over time, that silence becomes unbearable. Not because you want to hurt her, but because she realizes she can't escape what she lost. No amount of likes, followers, adventures, or fake smiles can touch the void you left behind. And it's only in that silence that true regret is born, real. Regret isn't felt in crowded rooms. It's felt in the loneliness of her own mind when there's nothing left to distract her. The illusion of moving on is just that, an illusion, a carefully crafted show built for the world to see while she wrestles with invisible battles inside her heart. The longer you stay silent, the harder that illusion becomes to maintain. It starts with small doubts, then lingering thoughts, and then overwhelming waves of what if I made the biggest mistake of my life. You must not react, you must not chase, you must not break, because every day you don't is together as in a person who does not wait. A person who builds a person horizons. Your silence is your power. Your discipline is your weapon. Your emotional control is your victory. Hold your ground. Walk forward. Become unstoppable. The final awakening. Now that you understand the battlefield, vigilant war she fights inside her mind, you also understand the path to your ultimate victory. It is a path paved not by desperate actions, but by quiet strength. Not by chasing her shadows, but by mastering your own presence. This final awakening comes when you fully embrace your independence, when you realize your worth is not tied to her attention, her approval, or her presence. When you stop waiting for her and start building a life that no one can ignore, unshakable confidence. True confidence is unshakable because it is built from within. It is not based on external validation but on self-respect and self-mastery. This confidence allows you to remain calm in the face of uncertainty. It allows you to hold your silence without crumbling. When you become this person, your aura changes. You radiate power, peace, and purpose. You no longer seek to prove anything to anyone because you already know your value. The art of emotional mastery. Emotional mastery is the greatest weapon a person can wield. It is the ability to control your feelings instead of being controlled by them. Toked with intention rather than reaction. This mastery is what sets the rare individuals apart from the many. It is what transforms pain into strength, loss into growth, and silence into power. Practice patience. Practice resilience. Practice walking away from what does not serve you, becoming unforgettable. The person who masters silence, discipline, and emotional control becomes unforgettable. Not because he shouts the loudest, but because his quiet strength echoes in the minds of those who once underestimated him. She will remember you not as someone who chased, but as the person who walked away, the one who chose himself over empty promises. The Pasangwo became unstoppable without her, your legacy. Your legacy is the life you build and the example you set. It is the strength you carry and the peace you protect. You are no longer waiting for someone to validate your worth. You are creating a future that honors your highest self. The time to rise is now. Closing call to action. If this massage has resonated with you, if you feel the fire to reclaim your power, then take action today. Subscribe to the channel. Join the brotherhood of individuals who lead their own lives. Comment unstoppable below to declare your commitment. Like and share this message to help others find their strength. Together we build a movement of individuals who do not chase, do not beg, but build, rise, and become truly unstoppable.